Come glasses shopping with us. Today, we thought, well, you said to me, what did you say?
What did you say?
What did you say? I said,
I went to try, well, I had to go to the opticians to get my prescription done for my glasses. I was trying on glasses and thought, I know someone that I can take with me that's going to be able to help me and give us advice on glasses.
so
You come in.
you need a higher prescription.
I need a higher prescription,
Okay.
need new glasses.
Because I really like these glasses that you're wearing.
Well, I may well just get new lenses put in these, but
Okay.
it would be quite nice to have a choice.
Yeah, just a choice. Okay, so we thought, what better way to make this into a little day out with you as well? Come glasses shopping with us. I'm also going to sprinkle in some tips, some style tips for glasses as well.
Oh, nice, yeah, brilliant.
And can I say, Katie?
You can.
Can I? You have inspired these style tips
Thank you.
because I'm going to move away from you so we
God.
can see what you're wearing. Look how cool Katie looks. So, Katie, explain your look. You've got leggings on,
I've always got my trusty trainers on.
trainers, yeah,
I've got leather look leggings.
yeah,
And I bought a new shirt at the weekend.
really
but it's sort of
cute.
like, it's not a shirt, it's not a dress, but it's a bit of a statement.
Yes.
I'm really pleased with that.
Now, we'll move a little bit closer because you can see Katie's got a lovely gold necklace on and gold earrings. And look at Katie's gold glasses. And there's a little tip in that is if you're someone that predominantly wears gold jewellery, then it's a really good idea. You don't have to, but looking for gold rimmed glasses really ties all your jewellery in together really nicely.
Yeah. And again, I always feel confident in gold, so I know
Yes.
that's going to suit me.
Yeah, as opposed to, you could obviously do the same with silver if you wear a lot of silver. With this video, I think it's important that we're saying, I don't like style rules as such.
No.
I like style inspiration.
Well, you need a basis point where you can work from, don't you?
Yeah, so take what you like from this. If you like any tips, think, that might apply to me. But if you don't, then just do you, essentially.
Yeah.
But Katie, you gave me some really great style advice.
Did I?
You did. You said to me, my style is a cool pair of glasses and a cool pair of trainers.
That's my go-to.
Yeah, and if you've got a cool pair of glasses on and a cool pair of trainers, that's your
Yeah, no, I
style
feel right.
essence.
Yeah.
So let me just move away from you again.
Usually a high top for me.
Cool footwear, cool glasses.
Essentially, really, I'm wearing leggings and a white shirt.
Yeah, but the you know, the necklace, the glasses, the trainers together.
Little details.
It's
isn't it,
little
just to dress
details
it up.
pulls it all together, which looks really lovely. Another little tip: if you cannot go glasses shopping with a friend, then be sure to take selfies of yourself wearing every pair of glasses, as well as asking for someone's advice of the person that's in the glasses shop.
Yeah, because that's the worst. When you're trying to
Yeah.
try on glasses and you have got a high prescription, you can't see as
No.
soon as you take them off.
But I also think, even if you can see okay without your glasses, it's really good to take those images of yourself and then come away, look at those images, show them to someone else that you trust their opinion of.
Yeah.
And don't make an immediate purchase.
Yeah, always sit on it. You need to have a
Yeah,
think.
have a think. Now, another little tip.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, the tips are
You're full
coming
of
out.
them.
Oh, full of them. I think when you go shopping for glasses, have your makeup like you would normally wear makeup.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I've got a bit extra today than I normally would.
you've got a bit extra. But I would say my advice is actually, because if you're going to wear your glasses every day, actually wear your makeup how you normally wear it.
Yeah, or your hair how you
Or
normally
you're
have
not,
it.
yeah, or both, because you want a true representation of how those glasses are going to work for you every day. So, for example, if you're not someone to wear makeup, don't wear makeup.
Yeah.
Because then the frames that you try on are going to work with how you are mostly every
Just
day.
on a daily basis.
Yeah, on a daily basis. So let's get in the car. Katie, you'll probably film when we're driving.
I hope so, because you can't use your
Because
phone.
I can't do it. And yes, come with us. We're excited.
See you in a bit.
Oh, she's filming.
yeah, I'm
She's
on.
filming. Let me make myself look Let me clean my glasses. I always in my car have a microfiber cloth because I mostly wear glasses when I drive. So these are my glasses. Very let me just look in the mirror. Oh. So they're like a see-through Perspex pink, and I've gone for a frame that isn't too not a bold colour, because my makeup style is typically always like a bright lip and a lot of mascara essentially, and I think if I go for anything too bold on my glasses, it's gonna compete too much and they'd just be like, oh, what's going on with her? So I would go quite soft on my glasses for me, because I do wear a lot of makeup. You've seen me without makeup, and I needed to get a husband.
You look lovely either way, mate. And your glasses look really nice.
Oh, thank you.
Let's get going.
Let's get going.
Talk about dinner?
Talk about dinner. Well, I had crackers and cheese last night. I mean, that's...
You a mouse.
How about you?
Chicken thighs, and I had some cooking chorizo.
I don't understand how you... So, I probably could cook if I ever tried, but I don't... It's not a passion. I mean, I'm not the best at cooking, but I do make really good snacks. I make really good snacks. And in the early days, when Crispin and I were sort of courting, dating, I'd make snacks, and I'd be right, I'm going to make really good snacks.
Yeah.
And I would give them a pretend name as if they were something, like I knew what I was doing. They're like, oh, this is nice, what's that? And I'd be like, yeah, this is Irish
a cheese bollica,
whatever. And I'd give it that context. He'd be like, oh yeah, she knows what she's doing.
Well, if people think it's fancy, it is
I
fancy.
know, I just used to make up the names.
The thing is though, you are, when you put your mind to something, you're really good at anything that you do.
I would say that.
Except when you made cupcakes that time.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I made lavender cupcakes. And
bit too much lavender?
I put in so much lavender, it was like eating a bar of soap when you make these cakes.
In the end, we actually ended up throwing them at each other or in the bin, and when they hit the bin, they made a massive plonk sound.
And everyone cheered. It was one of the funniest days.
Yeah, you're lucky you didn't get to try that, because it was something else.
Disgusting.
Yeah, okay, so baking's not your forte.
No, baking's
Let's hope you're better at choosing glasses than you are at making cakes. So Katie's just asked me about style tips that I've got for wearing glasses, and I've had to wear glasses permanently for about 10 years, I think. I love my glasses. I like to look at it as like jewellery, almost like it's an accessory for my face, and it should. That's why I like actually wearing them, because I don't feel like it's, oh, I've got to. I actually enjoy putting them on. I did think actually about getting laser surgery once on my eyes. Yeah, and I, just because obviously it's easy, isn't it, to not have to look after glasses and what have you. But I just thought, without my glasses, one, I think I look a bit odd.
Oh no, you look really pretty.
I think it's
pretty
just because you get used to seeing your face with glasses on.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
yeah.
But I actually like the way I look in glasses. So for style tip wise, I think it's really about really embracing them and not hiding away from them.
Yeah.
So make it your style. You know, my style is, I like to wear glasses. I like glasses that are a little bit out there. I like glasses that are a little bit different. I want to be able to see them.
You want your glasses to be a style statement.
A style statement.
Yeah.
I don't want them to just disappear or frameless, or because I think you're wearing glasses, you should show
celebrate them.
For me, that's how I feel about it. I know some
Yeah.
people don't like to. I'm interested to see what tips you've got for eyeshadow, like makeup looks, because you don't want to hide away. And I used to wear a lot of eye makeup, and I don't really anymore. So it'd be quite interesting.
Why
to
don't
see.
You wear eye makeup anymore? Out of interest.
I feel like I'm too old. I know I'm not. What? Because you just sort of like, you know, you have that makeup look that you've done for like the last 30 years. Yeah. And I feel like I'm still in that makeup zone. And I feel like I really need to not wear such heavy eyeliner and, you know.
Yeah. I mean, I think there's so many things you can do with your eye makeup with glasses.
Yeah.
And you know, you can have so much fun with it. And to me, glasses really frame, you know, someone's eyes.
Yeah.
So I think whether you want to or you don't want to, I don't think there's any right or wrong doing it. But even like wearing a really beautiful lengthening mascara,
Yeah.
just makes your eyes look really fluttery, doe-eyed and pretty
Yeah.
with glasses.
I suppose it's
love
almost
that.
like the opposite. You need to actually accentuate your eyes so that it does show through your glasses.
You don't have to. You know, you really don't have to do anything. But what I think it's about is actually having fun with glasses, with or without makeup.
Yeah.
And I think if you're someone that doesn't like to wear makeup, then it's about, okay, choose a style of glasses that really frames your eyes.
Yeah.
You know, because I think on anyone, their eyes are their most beautiful asset.
Yeah, they are. And they're the thing you sort of really notice first on someone, aren't
so
they?
I think if you're not going to wear, if you don't want to wear makeup, then choose a pair of glasses that frames your eyes beautifully, and maybe the colour accentuates your actual eye colour. The colour of the frame
that's a good idea.
accentuates. So, for example, if you've got brown eyes, like a navy frame is going to look really stunning.
Yeah.
Because you know, typically you'd be like, oh, surely if you've got blue eyes you'd wear navy, but actually it's that opposite colour that really is the contrast that really plays up. So I think that could look really
that's
beautiful.
an interesting idea. That would be good to try on.
And if, for example, if you wear a lot of black, you like wearing black as your style, that's your style statement, then a pair of really cool black framed glasses could look really chic and pull your whole look together. And then I would say, like, if you wear a lot of black, wear some black framed glasses as well, look really, really cool. But then I'd say, oh, just step outside your comfort zone and put a bold red lip on.
Yes.
Imagine that. All black frames, bold red lip.
How chic is that?
So chic, so beautiful. So it's really looking at glasses as how can it add to your style, as opposed to detract from it.
But you know what else I was thinking? Whenever I've had glasses and I've sort of always gone for something a little bit different, people always comment on my glasses and say, oh, I love your glasses, I love it. Now that gives you a little bit of confidence then there and then, doesn't it? Because you're like, okay, that's obviously working, because if lots of people are commenting on it, then they look all right.
The other thing you can do, and I've done this in the past before, is if I've got a pair of sunglasses that I really love, and or sometimes I shop for sunglasses, they're actually cheaper than glasses. And then I'll take them to the opticians and just say, can you take the sunglasses frame out and actually put a clear frame in there?
Oh, that's a really good idea, because somehow it's easier to buy sunglasses than it is for glasses, I think.
I
don't know why that is.
There's actually a lot more choice sometimes.
I think you're right. Well, we'll have a look and see what they've got. I'm quite excited to see what they have in there.
Yeah, me too. So we should look at sunglasses as well, at those frames.
A good tip to when you're trying glasses on, try these on, how do I feel about them? Do they look better or worse than the ones before? And then you know what to put down. So I'm going to say no to the granny pair. And I'm going to keep the other ones in mind.
And also, Katie, I'd say compare them to the pair that you've got on now, because at the moment, I've got to say,
hard to beat.
These are very hard to beat.
So
same style.
These are ones I'm loving at the moment.
And they're a really lovely blue shade, which I think really plays off your eye colour.
Same style, just different colour. Too harsh.
And it's really interesting. I think the colour of glasses is really important to the style as well.
I think so. Because they're so nice, but they look really different darker, don't they?
Just doing a little quick sneaky try myself. So I saw these in the window and I thought, oh, are they a bit Barbie-ish? But then I thought, well, I do like a pink lip. So, and I think the colour goes really nicely with my makeup, because I'm always in this colour lipstick.
When I think I'll try glasses on, I'll look at them, and if I have to go, like put my hair in a different, they're not for you. You've got to put them on and go, it's like putting on a pair of comfy slippers, you know they're right. Little tip.
So we've been in one optician's. We're now going to another optician's, and I think the trick is to go to as many as you can and pick out your number one frame from each. Take a picture and then look back at the pictures and compare contrast.
Yeah, which is exactly what we're about to do.
So we're at our third optician's now, and I've got to say you found a lot that you like.
I found a lot that I like, but I found 3 that are contenders, I think.
My advice to Katie, don't make any decisions today. No. I think I'm going to send Katie all the photos I've taken in the videos.
Yeah.
And then I would say your homework is just to keep flipping through the images.
Yeah.
And I've also taken video because I think video is really helpful as well as photo.
Just gives you a true representation.
True representation. Also, if you wear your hair up, put your hair up in the picture as well as down. And then I think keep looking at the photos over the next week or so and see which one you keep coming back to.
Yeah, I think that's right. Like you say, if you keep coming back to it, you know they're the ones.
Yeah, absolutely. I know we should be shopping for glasses, but we need to try them. And the heel is so wearable.
Yeah, that's cute.
This is your size, Katie, size 5.
I can't wear those on my eyes.
Yeah, we should try these on. Katie, I know we're shopping for glasses, but seeing as we're seeing glasses as a style accessory, I wanted to show you a really cool way you can change up any coat, long cardigan, anything with a belt. Undo it. Put scarf around like this. Get your belt. Tie it round. And you've just changed up the look of your coat.
It's really nice. Very successful day.
Very
Thank you for
successful.
coming. Genuinely,
No,
thank you.
no, I've really enjoyed it. See you there.
Bye.